bought some new stuff here on Amazon for my car camping here. Sent away for a new stove. That wee stove is rusty. It lay in the shed for years. I never used it. So I sent away for a new one of them. I'm getting one of them for £12. So for £12 you can't beat that. But I just thought this is meant for stoves on your outside to keep the wind off it. I just £6.50 on Amazon for that wee thing there. I thought it's ideal to just keep the heat off the door of my car. Not that I ever had much problem with heating the door of the car, but sure, for £6.50, I got good reviews and all. Like, it folds up nice and easy. It's all aluminium. I've sent away for a wee heater too out of eBay. Sent away for a heater out of eBay that sits on top of the gas ring. So that'll be ideal when the heater helps reflect the heat. It comes in this wee black pouch here, like. So that's neat there, like. Goes in the wee black pouch. I can't put it in with two hands, like. That thing there was got on that Temu website, got ages ago. So that'll help keep the kettle on all level. You know, instead of the 4 prongs. I'm pointing the camera the wrong way. That wee thing was got in Temu. I can't mind I don't know how you pronounce it. But it keeps, that's a pop-up kettle. But it keeps it steadier. Last time I forgot my kettle, I put a cup on it, I had to balance it. Well, if I forget my kettle now, that there, I'll balance the cup. What I really wanted was this thing here. I was looking forward to this. It's to hold the tablet. And the idea like that, I have the Amazon tablet, 11 inch. And that extra inch of tablet puts the cost away up compared to a 10 inch. Once you go up, it's bigger. But the closer you bring the tablet to you, the bigger it appears. I like this bracket here. What I like about this bracket here is there's your wee wall bit there goes on. And that there can clip into it and screw in place. You can take it away. But it's got very good reviews. £22. It's a wee bit expensive, like. But it is well made. It's all steel. It's very, very tight and all to move. But it comes with all the Allen keys. Now, why there's 3 Allen keys? So if any of these wee bits become loose, you can tighten them up with your Allen key, like. So there's Allen keys there to fit all the bits and pieces. That fits that one there. And some of the smaller ones. One of them I fit that wee one. So you get the 3 Allen keys. Where you're going to have the 3 Allen keys with you whenever you're travelling, I don't know. I've always plenty of Allen keys in the house anyway. But it's nicer to give the Allen keys. Comes with the screws and the rod plugs. So it's meant to go into a wall rather than a car. So I'm going to put that up. I'm trying to think where to put it. Sometimes I like to lie against the back of that board there, like depending on what view I'm looking at. I'm thinking, do I put it up high? See, it can go in the way that I switch there. That switch there is just for the inverter. Or do I put it in a prime spot? I'm running out of spaces to put stuff, you see. Can't put nothing there because of the air fryer. The air fryer has to pull out here. So I can't put nothing below there. And I still want places for my wee torch and all that. Sent away for these wee things here. Them's power delivery leads there. Wee adapter. I had that in my shed there, so I plugged. Hey, what do you think of this here, look? See, at night time, you'd think, imagine if that there was on the stove there. Hey, you would think, but nice and cosy at night. You think it was a wee fire burning, wouldn't you, like? I put that in the all powers. There's not even 1 watt of power in that. And I have it going from the power delivery socket there that I got 2 for £10. 60 watt power delivery socket, I think it is. And these wee switches. So them wee switches there we got in that Temu, or whatever you call that website. And that was also got in that website. They were got way back last Christmas. But I'm going to get this screwed on now. I'm looking forward to this. I got these lights from that Temu website. Useless. They're multicolored, no remote control. No double-sided sticky tape. Hey, you know what? There is double-sided sticky tape. I pulled it out last night. Right enough, it was a wee bit dark. God, I could have kept them, you know. That is double-sided sticky tape. Well, I bought these today in little. £2. AA batteries. You always have AA batteries, but that's pure white light. I want a strip of lights along here. But I don't want disco. I just want uplight at night time. So I got 2 sets of these. One of them from underneath the bed. So if I'm looking for something, I can switch it on and use it as a light. And that one there just as a nighttime and ambience. I don't necessarily want disco lights. So that'll be used somewhere else some other time. It's not going to be used in the car. But it's starting to look homely now, isn't it? It's starting to look homely. Luna loves car camping. I'll be heading up to Carrickfergus this weekend and trying it all out. See how she goes. Get the self-leveling bed and all going. So we'll get this screwed up here now. It comes with a blanking plate. I think that's a wee bit too much there. So if say that if that's up on the wall there and you take this away for some reason, you can put a wee blanking plate. Why would you want to? Why would you want to do that? Some people might want a wee blanking plate. The axle bracket's metal. It's covered in plastic, but the axle bracket itself is metal. And this is metal. Metal and plastic both. It's a mixture. But the actual structural parts are metal. Plastic's only for the wee smoother bits. So we've seen now if the Amazon tablet fits in that 11-inch tablet. I wrote there's the wee things. I got 2 of them there for a tenner. Where were they got? I can't mind. Probably Amazon. They got an Amazon because the friend, he got them for me. He got them sold too as well. I need reading glasses, but you might really work that out. So stick this up. That there's just screwed up, and you know the best of it is, even if it's not straight, this turns. So that there just slips on like so. Do you know what? It'd be handy if it's pulled out, and you turn that wee knob underneath to screw it on. I have a wee sore finger. I don't know. I've arthritis in that finger. It looks to me, I don't know. It looks like it's always swollen up anyway. But I think I might be getting an infection or something, and that's why sore. So, there you have it. That's all there is to putting it on. It can swivel back and forward. Turns around. There's plenty of mobility in that there, like. Just thinking that swivel part there's pretty loose there, you know. There must be a wee Allen key behind there. That's why I got 3 Allen keys. I wonder what the third one was for. So, and imagine the tablet goes that way there. So we'll get the tablet on it now and see what it looks like. Well, I'm impressed with it so far. I can go much bigger than the tablet. That's an 11-inch tablet. It should go on down to there. It's a couple inches bigger. This is all, that was a wee bit loose. So I tightened that arm key up on there. That wee nut. The gravity, even if you didn't screw it on, so you've lost my wee nut, wee nuts fell off. Even if you don't screw it on, the gravity holds it on itself, the way it hooks in. So if you lost your wee nut, if you're driving along, you want the nut in. But if you lost the nut, it's not to say you can't use it. So there you are now, you can tilt it now. Look at that there, boys. That is pretty good there, I'll tell you. I'm impressed with that there. Oh, look at this thing going. I use a Bose speaker behind. The good thing about that wee Bose speaker, it automatically turns. I don't know how it works. It can be lying in a drawer for a year. As soon as I turn my tablet on or my phone, the Bose speaker turns on itself. I don't see anything on TV. It's probably all out of date, this stuff now. It needs uploaded again. All expired now. It's that long since I used this. I was trying typing and all on it. I don't get internet here. I'll tell you the problem I have here. I am in a dead zone. If I walk 20 feet to my right, I'll get my internet in my house. If I walk 20 feet to the left, I'll get the mobile internet. Where I am, I get nothing. So, but the thing is, if you type it in, like, it's steady enough to type in, like, you know, that's how I fully extend it, like. Was it going to go, was it? Have we got a connection? Wasn't going a minute ago. So I'll lie in the bed now. I can't get right back now because Luna on it. But you get the idea. That is brilliant there, like. I am quite happy with that. And then my feet and all go underneath. See that there, look. Your feet can go underneath there, boys. Aye. Now you can have it whatever height you want. You can have it up higher. Look at that there, boys. You can put it way up like that there. You can have it wherever you want, like. £22. It's a bit expensive for what you're used to, for I'm used to paying, but I think it's money well spent. When you're travelling, you can fold it down a bit, or simply screw it off the wall with that wee screw. I'll say I'll probably just keep it folded down like so when I'm travelling. doesn't take up much space. So I had to move my wee speaker. I've put these lights on now. So I'll be using them lights there. I didn't cut nothing off them. That's $1.99 and little. There's a wee button there. 3 AA batteries. So that's handy when I come into the car. I can just push that and that's light up the roof. So I moved my wee speaker down here. There's the TV bracket, my laptop bracket, or tablet bracket. I said that can pull up like so. And I watch my tablet then. Get to know it. So to me that's pretty compact there now. Like, wee light switch. I had to put 2 screws in that. That's the inverter. My Bluetooth speaker. My carbon monoxide detector. I want someone now to hang me on the wee torches and things. Now that wee one there is falling apart. But so I won't need that as much now because I think I need a light when I come in. But so I've got that. That actually broke, so I got it free. So I had to get up a few batteries now. These wee Allen keys, I might store them away somewhere, put them in my toolbox, and if that does come loose when I'm away, I'll have them. Apart from that, that's it now. Turn off my wee ambience light here, my wee fire.